Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's vlog is super special because we are celebrating National Women's Day today, guys. Today, yeah, so we are going to be attending an amazing event, and I am so excited to share it with you all. I am really excited, guys, so stay tuned to see what happens and let's get into it. So right now I am going to bath. Yeah, so angeke ngikhone ukushootha that part, but I will shoot masengicedile. Yeah, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment, guys. Comment. Yeah, so please stay tuned. I am done and I will show you my outfits mase sifikile ku-venue. Yeah, angeke ngikhone ukunikhombisa manje outfits. Yeah, so kusazoba mnandi, kusazoba lit. Done now. Yeah, so hlanganela like esontweni because sihamba like as a church but abantu besifazane. Yeah, so sihlanganela khona. Yeah guys, I'm so excited. So I will show you my outfit. Yeah, my whole outfit will kombisa. So please stay tuned.